Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is R5 and today I'm going to take you behind the scenes on how I shot the specs campaign for Levi's. Today's model is Sahar. Sahar is a model based in Montreal, signed to an agency called Maven. So when we started, I wanted something very soft because I had a mood board and I wanted to create like bright images. I was shooting with the Godox DP603 and a parabolic umbrella. To diffuse the light even better, I used a 12x12 diffuser. And today I'm shooting with the Canon R5 and the 24-105mm lens.
Hey, what's good? This is Sahar.
Hey guys.
And
hey guys.
and we're shooting. It's a test shoot, like the denim shoot, and she's killing it. You know.
He's killing it.
No, you're killing it.
We're all killing it.
Yeah, we're all killing
Sparks
it.
is killing it too.
Yeah, Sparks is killing it too. And so we have how many looks? She brought a lot of pieces, a lot of jeans, and yeah. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Yeah.
I'm having so much fun.
Yeah, and can't wait. We can't wait. Peace. All right, let's do it.
At first, I really wanted something very soft. So when we got there for the first look, I wanted the model to be a little bit closer to the wall on the cyclo to have a bright image. As we were shooting, I really didn't like the light because I felt like everything was flat. So I decided to take the 12x12 out and just shoot with a parabolic umbrella and create a very soft light by shooting on the edge of the umbrella.
So now we're going for something different, a more fashion look. Do you mind, please?
Set.
All right, let me just check this. Okay, light is a little bit too bright. Sharp, yeah, the other one was good, but this has more punch.
This is more my...
Yeah?
Anyways.
All right, good. So yeah, this has more punch.
Before, I think you were a little bit washed out.
Ouais. Non, c'est parce que je...
Yeah. I feel so pale.
Non, parce qu'avant, je voulais aller pour un autre style. Mais finalement, tu sais, je garde...
Go back to your...
Yeah, I go back to my thing, you know?
Yes,
yeah, I go back to my roots, you know? All right, you ready?
That's on the bird.
All right, do you mind coming a little bit on this side? Yes, please. And go back a little bit, please. Again, please. Just one more. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. I still want to have this. Ooh. Feathering the light. We got this. Sahar is killing it already. Good, yes, it's perfect. All right, good. Nice. Yes. All right. Perfect. Coming in. Yes. Chin up. Yeah. Good. Chin down a little bit. Yeah. Can you go? Yeah. Can you arc me? Yes. Is it possible to bring your hair? Yes.
For this look, I felt like we were going more to
Love
what
this.
I really wanted. Something very impactful
Nice.
with some shadows and some contrast.
No, let's try to add. No, on continue comme ça. So let's continue, and maybe we're gonna add more, layering and stuff like that before we go on the other side. But I still wanna have like different stuff. Yeah, you can move. You can be more attitude.
Yeah.
Not necessarily like big hands and stuff like that.
Natural.
Yeah, natural. Yeah, and stuff like you're already there. We're already there. It's just like I really want to catch something.
Yeah.
And but we're getting there. Can you turn around, please? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Perfect. Nice. Woo, lovely. Love this, love this. Now, can you have your hand like up high with both? Yeah. Yeah, try to put it with your jacket or something. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. So we have options. All right, look at me now, please. Yes. We can do the black, the black. Do you mind putting this around your waist?
What?
No, the jacket, not that's your jacket.
I was just like, what, the jacket? Yeah, that can be done.
Yeah, you know.
I was like, I mean, yeah, but like, tell me exactly what you want. Because I can even like,
Yeah, tell me.
topless.
Okay.
Like, you know,
Hey.
just giving suggestions. I'm down.
For me, I don't mind. I usually don't ask that. So, you know, it's up to you. It's always how comfortable you are in front of the camera, you know? Yeah. That's the most important thing.
I feel like it looks so sick.
Yeah, okay.
You could like just jeans or
Hey.
cover it with this, or like another pair of jeans or something, you know?
It's up to you. I'll let you lead on that. Yeah, yeah. All right, let's do this then.
Let's do that.
Yeah. All right, good. Yeah, stay like this. Okay, can you look at me, please? Yeah. No, c'est bon. Oh, yeah. We're killing it.
You're killing it.
Yeah. All right. Yes. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Shoulder down a little bit. Shoulder down. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Coming in. Yeah. Is it possible to take off that jacket? I'm not looking. You let me know when you Yes, please to put on that jacket. Yes. Bend that leg. Yeah, perfect. Like this, yes. Just, yes.
For the second look, we decided to go on the floor to create different images, and this time I was going to shoot more horizontal just to make sure to fill up the frame better. And for my lighting, I positioned the light a little bit lower but still shooting on the edge. I had to try different things to make sure the lighting was even and still soft with dimension. What I mean about dimension is just create more impactful by creating shadows with this light and make sure that the light was still soft on the model.
I still want to have, can we go back to that pause? Yes, perfect. Now, when you put your arm on your knee. Can you bend it a little bit? Like not your knee, but your arm. Can you be like? Can you put it up top? Yeah, like that. Yes, perfect. Yes. Now, can you go a little bit? Yeah, perfect. No, to the back. Just the back. Yeah, perfect. Right there. Right there. Now, chin up a little bit. Yeah, perfect. I'll move.
I also had to switch it up a little bit, put the light a little bit above and sometimes on the side to see what result I could get from these different types of lighting.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Yes. Yes. Yeah, can you like...
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
Alright guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please make sure to like and comment. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Orphy to me, baby. I'm out. Cheers!